Hello, my name is Sofiya Galimova. I am 17 years old and I am from Shymkent, Kazakhstan. I study at the school out. At my artwork, I used gouache and black pencil. I choose warm colors like brown, yellow and orange. They create a cozy, peaceful feeling. I want to show a simple moment at home, someone cooking with love in a room full of warmth and light. These paintings is about a little joys in life, home, care and family. Thanks you, ShinHan Art, for the change my artwork with the word. Congratulations to all the winners. Your artworks are incredible and full of emotion. Keep creating and never stop sharing your stories through the art. Wishing you all the best of luck.